So this is a fry up in a box bun at the meat roll.
Your hair's looking interesting.
Yeah, well, there you go. Let's see what we got.
Oh my god. I'll be having some of them.
The little babies. We've got an egg box. Another red egg box.
Black pudding.
Black pudding, award winning apparently. So we've got a stray egg, another stray egg, 3 strays. This looks tasty, doesn't it?
I'll be having some of that as well.
Alright, well that's all that's in the box.
And we got some beans.
Yes. I was going to make homemade hash browns, but we've got some in the freezer, so why not? Hey?
How many do you want?
How many's in there?
Well, 2 each I think will be alright.
Yeah, 2 each. A little bit of wash your sister sauce. Nice. Alrighty. I'm going to put the bacon in now.
It's nice thick bacon.
Sorry.
Yeah.
Looks like one like that.
Looks like a chocolate brownie.
Yeah, I might just... No.
I don't like black pudding. If it was a brownie, I'd be scrambling that. It's smoking.
Time for the sausages. Go on. All of you. It's overcrowded. Got some
Salt and pepper on that.
salt and pepper and then a bit of balsamic, I think, yeah?
I haven't got any balsamic, just vinegar. I've just got balsamic glaze. Bit of paprika, wouldn't be Ali Eats without paprika. And then get some of the juice of the garlic.
Bit of garlic. Oh yeah, bit of garlic.
Just a little bit.
Yeah.
Don't want to overpower.
Yeah.
Bit of balsamic drizzle. We love this stuff.
And then get that in the oven, love. Come on. Come on. Look at the hashies.
Yep, I'm going to
Yep.
give them a flip in a minute.
Here goes the giant,
Brownie.
well, black pudding. Time for the eggs, boy.
Can't see.
Beautiful.
Proper lovely stuff.
Yeah.
Everything
Nice
that-
crispy bacon. Look at this. Look how crispy that is. Little small sausages. Got the egg on. Got these nice balsamic tomatoes to go in. Eva doesn't like black pudding, but I don't mind it. So that goes there. Time for beans. And can't forget some toast. Burn them off, look. Looking pretty tasty. Let's give it a go. Let's have a little go. Beans. Yeah, beans. Interested in this black pudding actually. Let's give it a go. Pretty nice how black pudding goes. I'm excited for the sausages though. They look lovely. I'm most excited about is the bacon. It has, at the start of the video, it was huge runner.
Yeah.
Now it's very crispy. And it's shrunk a lot. But there you go. It broke my tooth. Yeah?
Where's my knife gone?
I think it's a bit overdone.
Where's my knife gone? Oh, it's in your hand. Can I have a knife, please?
There you go.
No, I'll have a fresh one, please.
No.
Can I have a knife?
Yes, hang on.
Never mind.
Well, look. There you go, love. She's in a mood because she hasn't eaten yet.
I'm a bit hungry. Tomatoes are lush.
You haven't tried them yet. It's one of the charred ones.
I didn't get mine charred.
Do you want me to?
No, too late.
Too late. Frozen hash browns ain't great. It's an okay meal. Breakfast, whatever you want to call it. Best part, dipping bread into the egg.
Toast.
It is toast. Well, not very toasted, but that's Eva's fault.
It's not actually. I've waited till it pinged and I got it out.
Could have put it back in, couldn't you?
Yeah, well, I didn't.
And there you go, then it's your fault.
Fuck off. Oh, very overdone bacon.
Very overdone, yeah.
That's your fault.
Yeah, that'd be my fault. I don't like it crispy as that, but Dad does, so had to keep it in there for longer than usual.
We could have taken some bits out.
Because I'm eating gravel.
I don't know why you didn't take some bits out. I just said your dad needed crispy bacon. I didn't say everyone would.
It's still
like
nice.
charcoal.
Just don't want to break a tooth. Cool, not bad, needed.
Got a hard-boiled egg, cold beans.
Should
Your
have
fault.
eaten it quicker then.
Well,
My bun. Are you enjoying it though?
it's
Good.
lovely.
There you go then, stop complaining. Right, that'll do. I'm gonna finish this and relax.